Number 6. It's a severe problem when people fail to delegate. You will not be able to complete all of your responsibilities on your own time. Taking this into consideration in connection with our prior discussion of delaying system development, this is an essential aspect. Your personnel should be able to follow your directions consistently and unsupported, even when you're not present. While delegation does not indicate that you're in charge of every person and process, it does imply that you're in command of the majority of them. It compromises assigning duties to agents who will complete them on your behalf. As previously said, this is critical to scale the operations of your organization. To progress, you must distribute your work. Otherwise, you will stagnate. Number 7. Micromanaging. This is the exact opposite of delegating. It wears out your personnel, causes you to lose time, and makes you appear to be an incompetent dictator of the lowest kind. If you tend to do this could be a sign that you lack trust in your team's ability to execute the tasks assigned to them successfully. If you have a legitimate reason for feeling this way, it may be necessary to reduce some weight. If, on the other hand, your micromanaging is simply a nervous habit, you should seek professional help. As a result, you must confront the matter before you erupt into a fit of frenzied anger and drive everyone away. Number 8. The tendency to be reactive then proactive. In ancient Western movies, wasn't it true that the villain would shoot at the feet of the main character so that they would dance? When you just respond to your surroundings, you're enabling the environment to fire at you from all directions. You must avoid being shot to survive when bullets begin to fly your way, else you will perish instantly. Instead of simply waiting for issues to arrive at your door, you must take proactive measures to avoid them. If you don't take the initiative, it will be very easy for your competitors to knock you off your balance, making you a prime target for their attacks. Prepare yourself for obstacles in advance of their appearance. The same situation exists when it comes to opportunities. Before you can make significant investments, you must first set aside funds that will be available to invest when opportunities come. Number 9. Making the erroneous assumption that profit equals growth. Put another way, it's the equivalent of putting money under your bed and completely forgetting about it. Your company's growth will only be achieved via continuous reinvestment of its resources into it. Keeping money in one's bank account and not reinvesting it in one's firm does not constitute progress. Number 10. Workaholism. Remember what we said about the advantages of using omnitasks? Your physical health as well as your vigor and endurance are all affected in the same way. Our team understands that you're motivated. That's outstanding. The opposite is true. Investing in your most valuable capital, namely your well-being, is an investment in your most valuable capital asset. Take advantage of those well-deserved vacation days. Take a seat if you don't mind. Breathe. Take pride in the accomplishments you've earned as a result of your efforts. Bonus tip: working on your business rather than in your business should occupy the vast majority of an entrepreneur's time. Don't be fooled. Making excuses and complaining will not assist you in shifting your perspective to a more positive, solution-oriented frame of reference. Individuals and company owners who find themselves in situations where they must adapt should pretend that they're oblivious of their own identity and spend some time figuring out who they truly are, according to the experts. The ability to slow down their problem-solving minds to think more strategically is essential for entrepreneurs when considering the larger picture. Instead of listening to everyone, train yourself to rely on your instincts when it comes to making a few blunders now and then. If your new concept, product, or procedure outperforms the present one, you should get it in front of as many people as possible to demonstrate its superiority. When starting or updating your services, it's crucial not to get caught up in the chase of perfection at the expense of good enough. Individuals who find themselves falling victim to any of these fundamental human flaws should take hope, for you are not alone in your troubles. These are very frequent defects in people of all ages and backgrounds and detrimental to people in all professions and walks of life, regardless of their age or background. You've already done more than the typical person to assure your success and financial independence. Therefore, any more work you do to eradicate the negative behaviors outlined above will only serve to make you more competitive and more productive. That's an investment that will be well worth your time and effort. Alright, that would be enough. Thanks for watching. See you next time.